So the chips we make here are by far the most environmentally sustainable chips in the industry. Traditional fabs use silicon wafers. It's a fantastic material, but it's expensive and it's consumed in a manufacturing process and takes a lot of energy to produce. We use very small amounts of materials. We use very little in the way of energy, of water, of other inputs into the process. So in terms of environmental sustainability, the environmental footprint per chip or per wafer that we produce is a small fraction of that for a silicon process. These are by far the most environmentally friendly semiconductor chips made in the world today. So when you're putting these chips in billions of individual items, the really sustainable nature of those chips really brings advantages versus silicon.